Are you still using a Google Sheet to track your job applications, entering data into rows and columns with no learning, no ROI? Or are you maybe using an Excel spreadsheet? Same thing. You copy, you paste, you update dates, you learn nothing, you gain nothing. Well, there's a better way. If you sign up for a GigHQ account, you can use our browser extension. And as you navigate LinkedIn, Indeed, Handshake 1220, and many, many other job sites, including company career pages, you can just save the job directly from here. You hit a button and it's done. I go back to my Gig dashboard. I open up my active applications. There it is. It's captured the job title, the company name. Most importantly, it's actually captured the URL the job was on and the description, all with one click. And you know what? Zero copy pasting. Think about that for a second. How much time are you going to save?